in the previous video, I asked a question, and now it's time to yet again ask another one. My face always looks terrible on this. It always looks like I got a black eye. So you guys know I don't have a black eye, even though on this side here, even though over here it looks like it's all purple. It isn't. That's what lightning, see? Fine. Yeah. You know, I gotta get used to what side to point to. Because I'm looking at it on the camera. So I'm like, alright, so this eye over here. Because to me, straight ahead, the opposite is this one. So this eye, and the camera is across from this eye. Let's see. So I take my eye straight off of this. They meet the middle of the camera, take my eye off of this one. They meet. Anyways, after a minute and 14 seconds of your video is wasted, time for another question. Should we change the series Supercars with Curtis to Cars with Curtis? If we change it from Supercars with Curtis to Cars with Curtis, that would be a big change to the channel. Reasoning? I could talk about any car that I wanted instead of supercars. I mean, do I like supercars the most? Of course. But do sometimes we need to just talk about the real road cars. But real, serious road cars that it's easy to buy, you don't have to be super rich. Just saying. Who thinks we should change the name?